Do you feel confused when asking questions in English? Like where you are going? You like coffee? You like coffee or tea? Sounds good, right? But wait, that's wrong. So you don't worry. Today I'll teach you how to ask questions in English correctly and confidently. Hello my dear English learners. Welcome back to my channel Priyas English World. I welcome you all for this day 3 of our 100 Days Spoken English Challenge. Today's topic is something we use every single day, which is how to ask questions in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Why asking questions is important? Do you know what fluent English speakers do very well? I'll tell you, they don't just answer, they ask powerful questions. Because fluency is not only about answering, it's all about depends upon the question you are asking in a powerful way. Asking questions helps you to start conversation, learn faster, improve your English fluency, as well as it helps you to show the interest. Imagine this, in a class, instead of staying quiet, you can ask, can you please explain it again? At work, you can ask, when is the meeting? So, a simple question is equal to powerful English. Simple question is equal to powerful English. Now let's learn 3 types of questions you must know in English. The first one, yes or no type questions. The second one, WH type questions. And last but not the least, choice questions. Let's see one by one. Let's begin with first yes or no type question. What is yes or no type questions? These are super common in daily life. The formula is simple. Do or does or did plus subject plus we, which means main verb, and question mark. So today in this video I am going to teach you, especially when it comes to the part of yes or no type question, in a simple and basic way, like do, does, did, how to ask question with use of these helping verbs. Let's see some example. The first one, do you like coffee? You can say yes I do, or you can say no I don't. The second question is, does he play cricket? Yes he does, or you can say no he doesn't. And the third question is, did they come yesterday? You can say no or yes. Remember, use do for I, we, you, they, and does for he, she, it, and did for all past tense. Now let's try it. I'm going to ask some question for you. Do you speak English? For example, if I'm asking the same question to a third person, like he or she, how can I ask? Does she speak English? Does she dance? Did you eat breakfast? Finally, yes or no type questions, mostly answer will be like yes or no. That's it. Now let's learn WH type questions. These questions begins with WH words. What are they? What, where, when, why, who, how. Here is the structure. WH word plus helping word plus subject and main verb. And don't forget to put the question mark. This is a sentence structure for WH type of asking questions. Let's see some example. The first question is, what do you eat? I eat rice. Second one, where does she live? She lives in Chennai. Third question is, when do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. And the fourth question is, who is your best friend? Ramya is my best friend. And fifth question, how do you speak English? Through practice. I speak English because of practice. Practice makes me perfect. Use these in your daily life. It helps you sound fluent and confident. Let's play a small question and answer game. I'm going to ask a question. You have to answer in English. Ready? What do you do in every morning? Where do you live? Do you like ice cream? Do you like music? And the final question is, why do you want to learn English? Say the answers out loud. Don't be shy because practice makes progress. The final type of question is choice questions. What is meant by choice questions? These questions gives you 2 options to choose from. Let me give some example. Do you want coffee or tea? Should we go by bus or train? Is it a cat or dog? These are great for friendly conversation. That's it guys. Now it's your turn. Today's task is you have to write 3 yes or no type questions and 3 WH type questions. Type your answers in my comment section. Definitely I will read and reply for your comments. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, all of you have to do is Comment below this one sentence to show up your interest. I can ask questions in English. I can ask questions in English. Thanks for watching. Let's make English easy together.